Hi there, welcome to Colorblind. My name is Matthew Johnson and this is a lot of fun. Check it out. A pack of cards and a pack of nerve. You'll see the cards now and the nerve as we go along. We'll take the cards out of the case, that way the trick is much easier to do. And put the cards just here for a second and we'll close up the case. Now, before we start the trick, we should also remove the jokers, because you can never have too many jokers in a show, if you know what I'm saying. So here's joker number 1 and joker numero dos, that's 2 in Spanish. I learnt that from Dora the Explorer. Yum 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 delicioso, backpack, backpack, swiping, oh swiping. 2 jokers. The rest of the cards, you'll notice, are all different on the face, but the same on the back, because that's the way they come from the Bicycle Playing Card Factory in Cincinnati, Ohio. You see, my show is educational and fun at the same time. Now here's the deal. I'm going to have you pick a card. So I'll spread through the cards and you just say stop. You want this one right here, the 8 of hearts? Okay, remember the 8 of hearts or the trick sucks. We'll give the cards a cut, not once, but twice. Now what color's this card? That's black, you say. That's good. And what color are the backs of the cards? What was that, red? You know what? I don't know if it's the lighting in here or your eyes, but you must be colorblind, because all of these cards, my friend, are blue. That's right, every single card in the deck is blue. Well, when I say every single card, it's kind of not the truth, really. There's one card here that's a slightly different color to the rest. It's subtle, but if you look close, you can see it. You see it right there? A little bit of a different color. And believe it or believe it not, as true as I'm riding this bicycle and driving this very big bus, that card is your card, the 8 of hearts. But that's not where the trick ends. We take your card, the 8 of hearts, give it a Michael Jordan basketball twist, a squeeze through the deck, and it picks up the ink and it turns blue. So now the deck is blue and your card is blue. But I know what you're thinking. What about the jokers? Because they were placed there before the deck changed color, right? So of course they're still red. But watch, a little squeeze, and they turn blue too. So now the deck is blue, your card is blue, and the jokers are blue. But what about the card case? You know what? That's not a problem, because that's blue too. So now the deck is blue, the card case is blue, your card is blue, the jokers are blue, the cards go back in the case, and that, my friends, is colorblind. Oh, and by the way, don't tell anybody. It's a secret. But the deck is instantly reset to do the trick again. Have fun.